guys, this is Ryan, and today I'm doing prospecting for my campaign. So basically, nag-hunt lang tayo ng mga properties na may potential maging profitable short-term rentals, and check natin yung different market, listings, pricing, and most importantly, kung malapit pa siya sa tourist spot or high demand areas. So, research mode muna, shortlist ng promising properties, then saka natin siya i-deep dive kung worth pursuing. So yeah, samahan niyo muna ako while I'm doing my work and mag-isa lang akong isip. So yan, paano ba natin siya ginagawa? So ang ginagawa natin first is hanapin natin yung private market sa Craigslist, kunwari Savannah, and then Savannah, Georgia, and click natin yung housing. So medyo may ginawa tayo pagkakamali dito dahil check ko muna siya, duplicate ko yung oldest. So, dapat palang unahin is click yung oldest and then uncheck and then show more. Pagkatapos i-click na apartment para lumabas yung vacation rentals. Saka click natin sa apartment and houses plus vacation rentals and then click has image para ma-check natin yung property later. So, 3 bedrooms, price range 1,000. So, change ko lang ulit sa 3 bedrooms to 2 para mas marami tayong i-search, and maximum range is 25,000 para maalis na sa searches natin yung mga properties personal. Click furnish and hit apply. After we hit apply, meron tayo mga properties na lalabas. Nasa 60 siya. So, let's check yung pangatlong property na nasa tab natin. Open lang natin yan. And then, once nakinig ko sa analyze property, lalabas na sa property address. Kadalasan meron na siyang property address left doon sa taas ng property. Pero dito, we need to click analyze property first and then copy paste sa Zillow. Then, once nandito na siya kay Zillow, check natin yung kung listed ba siya ng property owner. The reason is, hindi na natin kukunin yung mga properties na nakuha na ni realtor and property manager. Kasi ayaw natin na marami na mamatitan papunta kay direct owner. Tapos, i-check natin yung facts and features and show more. And as you can see, meron dito new built 1890. So, hindi na, medyo matanda na si property. So, we have to check yung talagang property photos. So, you can see medyo matanda na and colorful na si property, and it looks like Victoria, nasa Victorian era tayo. So, medyo maganda siya. So, ayun lang muna guys. Thank you so much for watching and abang-abang support. Thank you!